So I have some more good news for you guys. There's another treatment that's being investigated right now. I like this treatment. It's been around for a very, very long time. And then the full name of it would be convalescent antibody-rich plasma. And the word convalescent means you're recovering from some infection. Now, there's research that has been done already on COVID-19 with pretty good success. I'll put a link down below. And it's also currently being done on a larger scale. Well, what is this therapy? Well, they take the liquid part of your blood, the plasma part, which is rich in antibodies collected from people who have been through the infection and have fully recovered. Now, the reason why they do that is because those people who recovered have antibodies against COVID-19. So in your immune system, you have two parts. We have the innate part, which pretty much handles things on a day-to-day basis. But if things get pretty crazy, there's another part of the immune system called the adaptive or the acquired. And that system does take some time to do the work. But there's a certain cell called the B cell. And the B cells make antibodies. And they work with the other system, which is all called the innate, back and forth to develop antibodies to destroy the virus. These antibodies have experience, okay? They have a memory of what occurred. So the advantage is the next time you're exposed to that virus or bacteria, you have antibodies that are ready to deal with them. So what's really cool about this is this treatment will give you the experience of someone else's immune system without you having to go through that. So it'll actually protect you. And if you're critically ill, you have these antibodies with all this experience that can basically speed up the recovery. So the advantage of having this therapy is decreased viral loads. And by the way, with no adverse reactions. Body temperature can normalize within a few days. There's a reduction in mortality rates from 16% to 1% in hemorrhagic fever. And that's a fever involving blood that's leaking into your tissues, primarily the lung tissue. And with other types of viruses, with the flu, MERS, SARS, and even Ebola, there's been significant lower death rate. In fact, this therapy was used in the Spanish flu of 1918, and they showed a reduced mortality rate of 21% between the years of 1918 and 1925. And one person donating their plasma will be enough to treat between 3 to 4 patients with severe symptoms. So you're going to see a lot more of this being used. This is very, very exciting. I'll put some links down below. And by the way, if you haven't seen my video on the immune system, check it out. I put it right here.